I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding using biscuits. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite biscuits, some milk, sugar, and any flavorings you desire like cocoa powder or vanilla extract. Next, crush those biscuits into fine, even crumbs. Finally, prepare your pudding dish, perhaps an 8-inch square pan, by lining it with parchment paper. This ensures a smooth release later on. Now, let's create the delicious pudding mixture. Take your crushed biscuits and combine them with approximately 1 cup of warm milk. This helps soften the biscuits and integrate them smoothly. Next, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, adjusting to your sweetness preference, and any flavorings you like, such as 2 tablespoons of rich cocoa powder. Stir everything together until you achieve a wonderfully smooth and uniform consistency. This is the heart of your pudding. With your pudding mixture ready, it's time to get it set. Carefully pour the entire mixture into your prepared dish, spreading it evenly. Use a spatula to smooth the top surface, creating a neat and appealing finish. Then, cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap. This prevents it from absorbing any unwanted refrigerator odors. Finally, place your pudding in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. This crucial chilling time allows it to firm up perfectly. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived. Once your pudding is perfectly set, carefully unmold it onto a beautiful serving plate. Now for the fun part, garnishing. You can add fresh berries, delicate chocolate shavings, or a generous dollop of whipped cream to elevate its appeal. Using a sharp knife, slice the pudding into individual portions. Serve your delightful homemade biscuit pudding chilled, and prepare to enjoy this simple yet incredibly satisfying dessert. It's truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.